Looky here, boys. 38 special.
Oh, yeah.
1988, I think, or 87. Indy Trail.
It ain't no 45 special. She's a
38, though.
But she got custom moss as usual, right?
Terrible. I mean, just sick.
Custom moss.
Backstory is we got this with a ton of sleds. This was the only, well, one of the few that had a complete engine, exhaust, carburetors, and this thing had compression, and it ran on spray. Had 120 per cylinder for compression.
I mean, it wasn't completely butchered. Seat's still there. Track is nice. Skid is still there. All the bogies are good. The skis, somebody skinned them, spent some time. I mean, nothing's froze.
So,
But I
mileage,
think this would be a good candidate.
yeah, mileage shows 5,000. Windshield would be mint, but it has a couple. I think we shattered this one in the trailer when we loaded a sled on top of the windshield. So that's probably our doing. Throttle free.
And
Choke
The brake is
as it wants to be.
Yes, sir.
And dude, if I'll tell you what, guys, it hasn't been sitting that long if the choke isn't seized. That's like if you go to buy an Indy and the choke moves, chances are you're not going to have too bad of a time with the fuel system.
this. is a killer.
Yeah.
It's like a funnel for when it rains, right into the fuel tank. Nice little funnel there.
Yeah, and that moss, I mean, just factory moss.
Yeah,
So we'll get her in the shop here quick, guys, and then we'll start the quick eval. I'll yank the airbox. We're going to take a quick look in the gas tank when we get inside, and then we'll get the siphon pump out, and most likely start pumping that out.
Don't we have a fresh tank? It's clean.
I probably got that 89 Indy 500 tank.
Yeah, instead of, because it takes a while to pump out.
Well, if there isn't, because you can reach down in these pretty good with the pumpy sucker, pull all the crap out, and just see if the pickup line's rotted off, which I assume it is.
It's gum.
Yeah, it's gonna be liquid.
gum.
Liquid now. It's not a fuel line anymore.
Well, our first step is examining. This is not rusted. And it works. Little snifferoo. Yeah, it's there, but not bad. But you look in there, and it is orange. I mean, straight. It looks like orange Powerade or live wire Mountain Dew.
Look at that, guys. You can see. Let me see if
And you
it'll
can see where the
focus.
Dango was sitting in its ice.
Oh, I think you might want to put the Indy 500 tank on.
It's
but-
straight ice though.
Well, that's
It
good.
started to unthaw a little bit today in the warmer weather, but yeah, it's all ice.
That's ideal for these conditions.
Yeah.
See, this is what happens when you forget to bring them inside and do the carbs in the fuel tank before it freezes.
Or it'd be
But-
nice.
It would also be nice.
A paper or a plastic bag under these or something when they let them sit outside for 50 years.
Okay, so we might want to put that 500 tank that's empty
Yeah.
in it.
Yeah.
All right, we'll get this bar pad.
It's not crispy at all.
Oh no,
Oh.
no, it's not crispy at all. You still got hand warmers, buddy. Factory thumb warmer that was there.
That's all right.
It's ideal.
Let's go to the fuel tank.
That's sick. Get the airbox out now. Airbox is removed, guys, with oh boy, 2 Phillips screws, one on each side, one by the fuel petcock, one right by the secondary clutch. And you got to kind of angle it and wrench on, in between the throttle cable and the steering shaft, and just really fight it out in there. Yup. There she is. Wow, what's the inside of the carbs look like?
Clean.
You think so?
Mm-hmm.
Oh, the fuel line, dude. Look at her kinked right off on the steering shaft. It is
I mean, rock hard.
hard as a
Who
car.
does this? Just let's saw our way to victory.
And dude, nice 90-degree bends here we're working
Yeah.
with for those geometry freaks. Those 90s, That is sick. Carb synchronization is bad.
More wasps.
Bad wasps. This is.
Yeah, we don't like them guys. So we'll get them out of here.
That is sick. Oh. Wow, Isaac Rohde, dude. How's the
Impulse line is still good.
Looks like somebody did it, dude.
Oil line. Zzz,
Mission compromised.
still good.
Nice, nice.
Oil tank line still good. So we just need a couple fuel lines.
Yeah. We
These
could
are
let
still
we
punky.
could. Well, we
These are
could.
still punky, dude. We just need one from the tank. We'll put a new tank, fuel line, and see if she runs. No carb work.
You think we're gonna do it without the car? Hey, we gotta get this reconnected. Just peel this off and then put the vent line back on. We'll cut that back a little bit.
Oh, yeah.
We'll just cut that back.
Yeah, it's not busted here or anything.
You don't need to run those anyways for a beater.
No.
How are those boots? Das Boot on the carb.
Nice and pliable, yeah.
I mean, the softest.
They're like my 600, just gooey.
And the chunks.
But they're good.
There's just no way those things.
No dry cracking, no nothing.
They can't be full of varnish if those chokes work. I mean,
We
maybe.
can pop the caps off quick.
Drain them.
Drain them, see what's in them.
Should I work on getting the tank removed, or are we going to let it unthaw
Up to you.
and then just pump it?
Pop it. I don't know, it's hard to get all that water out.
Right. Clutch system looks weathered, to say the least. It's definitely weathered. There's no rust there at all. I mean, Mark, that sheet will close. For sure. Yeah, I mean, that won't be rusted.
Yeah, a little grease. Grease the belt up real good.
Secondary doesn't feel too bagged out. And I don't even see spittle on the fins, you know?
No spittle.
No head gasket spittle. If I had to guess, 1 inch or 7/8 or something, you mean to hold the carburetor?
Yeah.
Oh, you're good to go towards me.
Oh yeah, yeah. It's not tighten them in.
Ooh. Here, guys, we're trying to get that in there real good, real big, and oh, I think she came. Oh, she came. Pause. Long pause, dude. Oh, they're so soft, dude.
Oh yep, busting my knuckles a good one. I don't know if you guys got it. It feels great.
Whatever happened to that thumb this morning of yours?
Oh, it's beat up. And the other one got pinched in the ski.
All right, guys, we're going to take these bowl drains out without dropping the O-rings, hopefully, into Never Never Land of Mice Nest.
Always vacuum a problem.
Oh, boy.
First.
Oh. Well, there isn't sap. Are they dry? Are they fucking dry, bud?
He's got a little scuzz in there, but not bad.
Can you... I can't tell if the floats... I mean, they almost sound...
Sound dry.
Fuck. That ain't bad. I mean, things are really looking up for this right now. What a sin. Ooh. Ooh, you tested the strength of those boots. Well, there's zero gas in the carbs. I mean, there wasn't any gas in it. So either A, somebody was proactive, and the fuel petcock is off. So I wonder if somebody ran her out of fuel, dude. Right? Isn't that off?
Yeah.
I'm gonna work on pulling the
I say we just go get our alternative tank.
the little gravity tank,
Yeah.
just to make sure it runs.
Yeah.
Yeah, guys, that's a great idea.
See what this thing's got.
That's why we
It
keep
just
that-
skips the whole process.
That's why we keep this guy
Yeah.
around, because once in a while he has a bright idea.
Yeah.
We're also working on the Indy 600. We got the skid taken care of today, so that's a good sign.
The nastiest grease.
Oh yeah. So remote tank you're gonna grab.
Yeah, I'll grab
Get a new
one.
piece of. Are you gonna tap it right into the fuel petcock line?
Yeah. I see the filter's dry.
All right. So Mark's gonna get an alternative tank. We got gas in here. It's got oil injection oil.
Yep.
We'll see if it'll start. Oh, give the gas bottle. It's right on the floor in the shop.
Yes, we.
And then, guys, we'll see if she runs. I'll get it on a screw jack in the meantime, get the track up. And we'll see if this thing's going to stove to life after being dormant for no less than 5 years. I guarantee it.
She had no tags on her, but I'd say 5.
Oh, for sure 5. For sure 5. Mark's got the remote gas tank figured out here. Just a fuel line to the shutoff. He did put a little bit of air pressure behind it. I did see a little bit of gas trickle into the fuel lines at the carbs. And then put the belt on, which that belt, buddy, that is sick. I would not recommend running it. So we're gonna try to choke it. We tested the kill switches, that works. No brakes. So we'll just see if it got her choked and we'll see what happens.
Full knock.
Cars were bone dry, so no shot. No shot. high.
She's running on one.
I'm gonna get the door open quick.
She's running on one.
As you can see, yeah, running on one. I think the carb isn't getting gas on the one side.
One might ask, how's my driving, man?
It is gross in here, guys.
Cheech and Chong in the Kwanzaa.
Ratchet, that's gonna leave the chat, maybe.
I might need a bend on carburetor with that a little bit.
All right, we're gonna try to resend it to life here. Choke it, maybe.
Okay.
Not exactly. There is a socket though, and a ratchet.
Is there a plug socket over there?
I know it's on the top to box, I think, eh?
It's right in front of my face, I just can't see it in all the smoke.
I gotta tighten that back up. You got any 9s? Freshie?
No.
Oh, not a freshie?
Used.
Well, we're gonna see which, this one doesn't have much heat on it. Oh, boy. Oh, it's black, dude, jet black.
Alright, this one was firing on my 600.
All right, guys, this is what you call a fouled spark plug, if I had to guess. I mean, you look at that black.
Yeah, that's what that one in my 600, but it was just getting over choked like a bit.
Should we check the other one?
That one's firing.
Okay.
I can check it.
I know it had compression on both. Not to say
What
there's
do you think, death gray?
I'm thinking like cardboard. Maybe a little darker than cardboard, maybe. Okay.
I'm gonna use one.
Putting a used one in there, boys. Put a used one in there. I mean, who knows if it's getting adequate fuel flow from the remote tank to keep her going. I mean, the bowls are full.
Oh, yeah, I did forget to pick the tank back up.
Is that another one that was running?
Yeah, I think so.
Put some used plugs in her, guys. Oh, sick. Let's tighten the one bowl. Not with that. It did indeed have gas. That's good. In the bowl. I mean, boy, can you think she'll go in? Do I need to go over there and commence the throttle? Or do you think compromise mission here? Or is a jack stand gonna hold it on there if we give her some snort? I mean, she's up off the ground. A little bit. Getting that one. I wonder if that, like I said, the float's just stuck in that one. It's got a lot of spittle though.
I think I put my
Bad spark plug in it?
spark plug on the side.
Nice. Checking his
I
work.
couldn't remember which one was which.
I can see it spittling out, it's just not pulling in fuel. Oh. Not great.
Sniff?
Oh, what is that smell?
Where's the
It's gross.
original plug we had on that side? It was not the stinky one.
It might have been mine.
That's the stinky one.
I think she needs it. What if I just feed it Cosby? I'll just give her a little bit. No, it's disgusting, but bad.
Pipe is plugged full of mice.
Is it?
I don't
Dude,
know.
that could be plugged full of mice too, but I never even thought of that.
I just
She's
hear-
dogging,
I
dude.
just hear popping and crackling.
Hey, it's good enough for me, dude. It'll work. She'll run.
The hand warmers work.
I didn't even hear weird noises out of the. Not the hand warmers do not work. You sicko. Oh, well, that'll about do it for today.
Until next episode of Clean the Carbs and get the ice out of the tank.
Yeah.
Should really pour it all and put it in the basement.
That'll refreeze.
Yeah.
That belt, dude, I can't believe it didn't blow up.
That sucker sucked all the way though.
Yep.
The secondary move. I
Yup.
saw some chunks of shit flying around over there.
Dude,
Could have been mice dropping.
that pipe could very well. I have another pipe.
Well, I just hear the things just pop, 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 pop. Like
It sounds so like it's just it's labor, like it's just labor. We'll bleed the brakes next time too.
Yeah.
Yeah. Well, this could be a rider soon.
Yeah.
Coming to a woods and field near you. This one.
If we get some snow.
All right, 38 special. Thanks for watching. Make sure you leave a like, comment, subscribe if you haven't already. And look forward to seeing this guy in the Mac Tools shirt full send this thing on the snow.